Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove borders on Canva. Okay, you can remove borders from pictures, shapes or text. So I will show you a step-by-step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here let me open one Canva. So first I just okay, so here I have Canva. So let me insert one image. Okay, so this is my image. Okay, so there is a two type of border. Okay, so if there is a inbuilt border, so like, so you need to crop this image. Okay, like this is resize icon. You need to just click and hold it and drag it to inside from top and bottom and left hand side, then your border will be delete. Okay, if there is a inbuilt like there is a, if there is a border with the image only. Okay, but in Canva maybe sometime you have put the border from Canva on image, so maybe you have click on it and just put the border like this. Okay, you can see this is I have border on this image. So this image you can simply remove. So you can go here in this border and click on that no border, the border will be removed. Okay, and sometime maybe you have that border shape outline. Okay, so here we have some graphics. If I put this graphic here, maybe you will have that type of border, or maybe this is locked like this. So you need to just click on this border, unlock it and just delete that border and delete it. Okay, but sometime maybe this border group like this. Okay, so you need to just ungroup it, select that border and delete it. Okay, this is for image and shape, whatever you have. If you have text like this, okay, so I just put the border on it. So in text there is no option to border in toolbar, but if I go to the effects, okay, if I go to the effects like this, here you can see there is some option to have border like a text effect like this, or here we have advanced effects with the border. So you need to remove it. Okay, you need to just click on this, you need to just go to the remove effects. Okay, so maybe you have this type of effect, so you need to just remove it. Okay, so now we have the text with the no effects, or sometime you will have the shapes on the okay, if we have shape like this, let me send to the backward. Okay, here we have that text. Let me change that color, or maybe here we have the border like this on this text, and maybe sometime your design is grouped, so you need to ungroup it first, select the shapes and just note border, and you can also delete the shapes. Okay, like this. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.